Welcome to Gayatri Yoga, my friends. Today's quick practice, we are focusing on our lower body, hamstrings, quadriceps, hip flexors, glutes. So if you are sitting a lot during your work day, or maybe you are driving, or maybe you just came off your plane, this will be a perfect quick practice to release the tightness in your lower body and a little bit of the upper body, the shoulders, the middle back. So we begin the practice from our tabletop position. Spread the fingers, press the palms right under the shoulders, knees right under the hips. Lengthen through your neck. Inhale, draw the pubic bone towards the ribs and begin rounding your lower back, middle back, upper back, tucking the chin. Inhale, slowly begin lifting through the heart, finding your arch. Exhaling, rounding. Inhale, lift through the heart. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift through the heart. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Step your right foot to the outside of the right palm and sink in the hips, finding your lizard. Move your left knee to the back of the room as you descend the pelvic floor down to the floor. Lift through the heart. And now begin sending the hips back, extending your leg and keeping the toes on the mat. Observe how it feels. Inhale, bend the knee, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back. Inhale, bend the knee, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back. Inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, send the hips back. Keep your left palm on the mat. Begin lifting your right toes and circle the right arm back and up. Find your twists, taking your shoulders, reaching through your right fingertips up to the ceiling, lifting through the right toes, engaging the quadricep. And very slowly begin bending the front knee, sinking the hips, and then adding your quadricep, bending the left knee, reaching for your left foot. Breathe. Stay twisted. Be careful with the knee. Use a cushion under the knee if needed. Inhale and exhale, release the hold on the foot and bring your right palm back to the inner side of the foot. And maybe you can bring your right forearm down and left forearm down, or maybe one up, one down. Take the variation that works for you. Trying to keep your hips squared. You can walk your torso on the palms or on the forearms all the way to the left, away from your right thigh, and you can lift the inner sole of the right foot and direct the knee to the right side. Be careful with the knee. Observe how it feels. Inhale and exhale, slowly returning to center, and bring your sole of the foot to the floor. Frame your front foot and now lift through the heart. Send the hips back, lifting your right toes and keeping your hips over the back knee. And lengthen through your lower back. Use the blocks under the palms if needed, or stay on your fingertips. Trying to lengthen through your lower back and folding over the thigh. Inhale, lift through the heart. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift, microbend the right knee. Push the heel into the mat and roll the foot out and back to neutral. Out, back to neutral, out, back to neutral, and now inward, back to neutral. Push the heel into the mat. Feel the back line engaging, and you can make big circles as you keep pushing the heel into the mat. And now slowly curl your left toes, lift your back knee up, and fold over the right thigh. Inhale, begin bending the right knee, bringing the foot all the way down to the floor, sinking the hips, lifting through the heart, and exhale, extend your front leg. Inhale, bend the knee, lift through the heart. Exhale, send the hips back, square the hips. Inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend the knee, walk your right foot to the left edge of the mat. Descend the knee, the shin down, sink the hips, and find your pigeon, lift through the heart. And exhale, fold towards the forearms. You can sink your belly, your chest to the floor, or just stay on the forearms. Take the duration that works for you today. Inhale, slowly extending your arms. And curl your back toes, lift the hips, step your right foot back to plank, walk your legs here, and now lower the knees down, send the hips back, find your child's pose. Inhale, lift the hips, find your tailbone top, and now step your left foot forward to the outside of the left palm and begin sinking the hips and moving your right knee back and back to the back of the room. Observe how you feel in your lizard. Breathe. And now slowly begin extending your front leg, sending the hips back and keeping your toes on the mat. And maybe this side will feel a little bit more weird. Keep press through the ball of the foot. Inhale, bend the knee, move the knee in one line with the ankle. Slowly extend. Inhale, bend the knee, lift through the heart. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. And slowly lifting your toes, keeping your right palm on the mat, circle the left arm back and up, find your twist, and if needed you can lift up to the fingertips, lift the base of the wrist, lengthen through your lower back. And when you're ready, slowly lower the toes down, bend the front knee, stay twisted. And bending your right knee, reach the foot to the glute, grab the foot with the left palm, finding your quadriceps stretch. Breathe. Inhale and exhale, slowly release the hold on the foot. And bring your left palm back to the inner side of the foot. And observe how your lizard feels. Maybe you can lower your forearms down or stay with one forearm down, one up, observing the sensations. And walking your torso all the way to the right, and you can allow the inner sole of the foot to lift and the thigh to move out. Slowly moving back to center. Framing your front foot, shifting the hips back, lifting your left toes, lengthening, and folding over your thigh. Observing the sensations. Inhale, lift through the heart. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift, engage the glutes, lift through the kneecap, engage the quadricep. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. And now micro bend the left knee, press the heel into the mat, and roll the foot to the left and to center, to the left and to center, left and center, and now inward and center. Keep pushing the heel into the floor and keep making circles and reversing the movement. Keep lengthening through your back. And now when you're ready, press the palms into the mat, curl your back toes and lift the right knee, folding over your left thigh. Observe the sensations. And now inhale, begin lowering your left toes, bending the front knee, sink the hips, lift through the heart. And exhale, extend your front leg, keep your hips squared, fold over the left thigh. Inhale, bend the knees, sink the hips, lift through the heart. Exhale, extend the legs, folding over the front thigh. Inhale, bend the knee, lift through the heart. Exhaling, folding down. Inhale, bend the front knee and walk your left foot to the right edge of the mat and slowly descending the hips down, descend the shin, the knee down, and focus on squaring the hips. Use the cushion under the left thigh if needed, lifting through the heart. Exhaling, trying to lower your forearms down, keeping the hips squared and sinking into the stretch, connecting to your breath, to the sensations. Maybe you can lower to your chest and your forehead down. Inhaling, slowly begin rising up, and you can roll to the left side and bring your right knee in, bring it to touch the sole of the left foot, so your left shin stays parallel to the front of the mat and your right heel is to the outside of the hip. And now you're bringing your left palm to the floor and circling the right arm forward and left and up, and you're rising up, pressing the shin bones into the mat, stretch through the front of the hip, and exhaling, slowly sinking the hips down. And we are going to do 3 more times. Inhaling, lifting the hips, engaging the glutes, pressing through the hips to the front of the room. Exhale, descend the hips down. 1 more time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And 1 more time. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. And switch sides. Lift the right knee, descend the shin down to the floor, and your left heel goes to the outside of the hip. Use the block under the palm if needed. Bring your right palm to the floor or the block. Circle the left arm to the front, right and back. Engage the glutes and push the hips forward and observe what's happening here at the front of your hips. Draw the pubic bone towards ribs, lengthen through the front of the hips. And exhaling, lowering the hips down. 3 more times. Inhale, lift the hips. Engage the glutes. Exhale, sinking the hips down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 1 more time. Inhale, up. And exhaling, down. From here, crossing your legs into easy pose. Keep your palms on the mat and begin moving your torso in a big circles, lifting through the heart as you move to the front, and then rounding your back, tucking the chin. Keep moving and slowly reversing the movement. Observe the sensations. And then slowly return to neutral and begin lifting through the heart, squeezing your shoulder blades as you inhale, and exhale, draw the pubic bone towards the ribs and round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, return to neutral. Bring your left palm on top of the right knee, right palm to the floor. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, find your twist. Inhale, and exhale, slowly release and twist to the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Breathe into the right side of the body, into the right ribs. Inhale and exhale, slowly release. And now send your palms to the lower back, interlace the fingers and close the base of the wrists. Circle the shoulders up, back and down, and lift the arms up and reach the knuckles to the back of the room. And pulse the palms up to the ceiling for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. 9, 10. Rotate the chest to the right and your arms to the left. Inhale and exhale, return to neutral. Exhale, twist to the left, reach your arms to the right. Inhale and exhale, return to neutral. Reach your chest, your belly towards the shin bones and reach the palms up to the ceiling. Reach the knuckles up to the ceiling. Squeeze the shoulder blades. And inhale, rising up, lift through the heart. Exhaling, folding down, reach your knuckles up to the ceiling. Inhale, rising up. Exhaling, folding down, reach the knuckles up to the ceiling. Engage the core, inhale, up. And exhale, release the lock on the palms and relax the arms, the shoulders. You can move your forearms in a circular motion, relax the wrists. You can bring the palms on top of the knees and take a moment to observe the sensations in your arms. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick practice. I hope you feel a little bit more comfortable in your hips. The tension, the tightness is gone. You feel a little bit more open in this area and in your upper body. If you are up to a full length flow, there are many lower body flows on the channel or at my membership platform, Gayatri.yoga, where you can get access to programs, challenges, and many full length standalone exclusive classes. Leave me a comment how you feel after this class, share with your friends, press the like button. Until we practice again, namaste.